A lot of people don't know, but I get messages all the time from independent adjusters who are looking to become public adjusters. They want to make the switch. They're just not really feeling it anymore. And one of the biggest complaints that they give me is that I just feel like I'm not helping people. I got into this industry to help others, to go to these storm areas and write up these estimates so I can get them the money that they need. But this continues to happen. They keep getting their estimates just shut down and just sliced up. Doug, what are some of the things that you're noticing that's missing in these estimates that are getting cut out? And what are just some of the things you're noticing in general that's happening on the in-house to these field reports?
Well, we're limited to what we can discuss because this is an ongoing criminal investigation. So we don't really want to go into too many details. It's not appropriate. And the APA Consumer Protection Unit, which is where our investigators and our National Prosecution Coordinator do their work, would string me up if I did that. So, and Stephen probably would as well. I'm going to say this. The heroes in this case are people like these independent adjusters who, as much as, sometimes I see people on the consumer side, they want to demonize everybody who works on the insurance side. Some of these people are honest, hardworking people with integrity, and they do see it in their heart that they're out helping people recover after a loss, after a disaster, et cetera. And to stand up and go against your employer, to stand up and go against the insurance industry, which is one of the most powerful industries in the country, is terrifying. And these people are scared because, look, they got mortgages, they got kids' colleges they got to pay for, they got lives, they've sunk their whole life into their career, and they could find themselves blackballed tomorrow and the subject of the insurance industry's very large, powerful, sometimes a little intimidating defense law firms. So they really stood up. I mean, these are Americans. They stood up to injustice and did the right thing. And they went to the right person because Steven Bush, many attorneys would probably take this and be like, cha-ching, we're going to settle this case. I'm going to get a little extra gravy to sign a non-disclosure agreement. We can do a class action. And Steven said, you know what, this is crime, and we're going to take this right to the APA. And we appreciate people like that because we understand the sacrifice they make to do the right thing. Look, we've all been to Southwest Florida and spent a lot of time in what's left of that area after Hurricane Ian, and there's still people living in tents on their front yard. There are people right now, as we're having this conversation, who are struggling to get out of bed today, and it's almost 3:00 in the afternoon because they see no hope. They see no way to get home once their insurance company has told them, nothing for you. We've controlled this whole situation and we've decided to pay you zero. So you're going to see some serious problems with people trying to recover from this disaster because the safety net they put in place has failed them, and it's failed them due to what looks very strongly like criminal fraud.